Welcome to Video 8, Protista Cells. Before you begin, please make sure you have a pen or pencil with you. You should also have your Protista cell notes ready to go. All the words you need to write down are in bold, bright blue font. You can use Google Documents to take your notes if you'd like. Let's begin. Let's review what prokaryotes are. Prokaryotes, or prokaryotic cells, do not contain a nucleus. Pro, no, you, true. Prokaryotic DNA is found clumped together in the cytoplasm in a region known as the nucleoid. Prokaryotes do not have a membrane-bound organelle. They do have ribosomes, they have a cell membrane and cytoplasm, and most prokaryotes have a cell wall. Some prokaryotes also have a capsule. They're very tiny unicellular organisms. Some examples would be bacteria or archaeobacteria. A protist is usually a unicellular organism. They do not have a cell wall. Many protists have a special structure called a contractile vacuole. A contractile vacuole helps remove excess water in the organism. Many protists have cilia, or hair-like projections that help them move. Protists can make their own food, or eat food. Protists are a diverse group of mostly unicellular organisms. There are many different kinds of protists. Some are animal-like, some are plant-like, and some are fungus-like. In this chapter, we will study a paramecium, an animal-like protist. Paramecium live in aquatic environments. The cell membrane is a structure that surrounds the protist. It acts like a barrier. It allows substances to pass in and out of the cell. Cilia are small hair-like projections that are attached to the cell membrane. They help Paramecium move through water. They also help it to eat. There is an indentation on one side of the Paramecium called the oral groove. This indentation is like a mouth. Cilia sweep food into the oral groove. The food is then trapped in their groove. The gullet is the bottom of the oral groove. Food is forced into small vacuoles, which we call food vacuoles, inside the gullet. Vacuoles are vessels in the cell that store nutrients, waste, or water. Sometimes we name the vacuoles based on what they contain. For example, a food vacuole contains food. Paramecium have a special star-shaped contractile vacuole. Paramecium live in water, and sometimes they take in excess water. The contractile vacuole collects the excess water and pumps it out of the cell. Without this structure, the cell would swell with water and burst. Lysosomes are small, round vessels that contain enzymes that digest food. Lysosomes fuse with food vacuoles to digest nutrients inside them. Paramecium have two nuclei. They have a large macronucleus and a small micronucleus. The macronucleus contains most of the organism's genetic information needed for day-to-day existence. The micronucleus contains an extra copy of the organism's genetic information. Protists also have mitochondria, ribosomes, smooth and rough ER, Golgi bodies, and cytoplasm. These are usually not shown in most diagrams of protists, but they are found in all protists. Some protists have chloroplasts. Protists that have chloroplasts can perform photosynthesis and make their own food. Most algae are protists. Algae are unicellular or multicellular organisms found in aquatic environments. Multicellular algae is commonly called seaweed. When you're ready to move on, go back to the homepage and complete the activity on Protista cells. Then move on to learn even more about cells. Magnify your knowledge, and I'll see you in the next video.